Hello everyone, welcome to Harmony Trust. In this video, we will talk about Ushtrasana. The Sanskrit name of this asana is Ushtrasana and in English it's called the Camel pose. There are many health benefits of this asana. Regular practice of this asana improves flexibility of the spine and improves posture. It also improves digestion, improves circulation in the head region. It also stretches and opens the front of the body, strengthens the back and the shoulders, prevents lower back pain, relieves stress, and also helps overcome menstrual discomfort. There are some limitations or contraindications of this asana. Those who have back and neck injury, lower back pain, hernia problem, severe hypertension should avoid this asana. Also, people who have undergone recent abdominal or chest operation should not practice this asana. Now, let's perform this asana. First, sit in Vajrasana, then stand on the knees. Place the palms on the waist with fingers pointing forward. Inhale and bend the trunk backwards and place the palms on the heels one after another. Stay in this position for 10 seconds to 1 minute with normal breathing. Exhale while coming back to Vajrasana. Finally, come to a relaxing sitting position. Note that after performing this asana, Sashankasana should be practiced.